Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title, today I'm installing this braid wig. Y'all, this is very different for me. I've never ever tried a braid wig in my life because I always thought that they just looked wiggy and looked a certain way. But Hair and Tingz Braid Wigs in Dallas, they reached out to me and they sent me this wig. And I was like, why not? Let me just try it out. So Hair and Tingz is a braid wig company. They have wigs just like this in all types of styles. They have box braids, straight backs, tribal braids like this, locks, anything you could think of. And as y'all can see, they're really good quality, y'all. The braids are so neat. And these tribal braids I have in right now, they even have a design, like, it's so neat, so cute. I'm gonna put all their information in the bio and all of that good stuff. But yeah, so this is a wig, a tribal braid unit. I'm also gonna put like the name of the exact unit in the bio for you guys as well. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, you guys want to see how I applied this, how I achieved this, definitely continue watching the video. And yeah, give this video a like before you even continue. And we'll get into it. Hi you guys, welcome back, welcome back. As y'all can see by the title and probably the intro, today we are installing, we're doing something different. We're installing this braid wig from Hair and Tingz Braid Wigs in Dallas. This is what the unit looks like. So it's like a tribal braids unit, y'all. It looks so good. Like, it's tribal braids, there's little designs in it, the little edges are out, and then it has little box braids in the back, and it's just so neat and cute. Like, I'm excited to try this. I've never tried a braid wig before, but we gonna see about this one. Look at the lace, y'all. Y'all can see right through that. That's already a good sign. So yeah, as y'all can see, I have this cap on my head, and for this braid wig, usually I don't do the bald cap method. I just put my cap on like this and put the wig on. But because it's a braid wig and I want it to look as natural as possible, I'm going to do the bald cap method today, which is crazy. I literally never do it. So I'm just gonna do the bald cap method. I'm sure a lot of y'all know how to do this by now, so I'm just gonna let y'all watch me do this. We'll come back when it's time to put the wig on for real.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something
Alright y'all, so now that the cap is on, makeup is on, I thought about putting makeup in the wig, but I don't think I'm gonna do that because I think the wig is fine. So just to show y'all what it looks like on the inside, it has like an adjustable strap, of course, and it also has these little adjustable thingies, so the wig's gonna be secure. So I'm gonna just adjust mine how I want it a little bit. And y'all, I'm not sure how long this wig is, but it looks pretty long. But all right, I have it adjusted, so I'm just gonna put it on. Okay. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. This looks really good. Like, wow. So I kind of have it where I want it to lay. I think that's fine because this part is the baby hairs. The scalp looks good, y'all. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. I could have done my braids a little flatter underneath, but it's whatever. We'll be fine. I'm missing my eyebrows all the way up though, I know that. I'm going to cut off the little ear tabs. And these are the edges. I'm just gonna start taking them down a little bit because I might have to cut some of them. All right, I think I have the wig how I need it. So now I'm just gonna lift that up, and we all know I don't really use glue like that. Now, if I wanted to keep this wig on for like a minute, I would probably use glue just because it is a braid wig, and I feel like glue, like Ghost Bond, boho, whatever, would make it last better, definitely. But I'm probably only gonna have it on for a few days, so I'm gonna go in my regular got to be. So I'm gonna go in with this little black one first. Oh, got makeup on my shirt, but okay. That's all tacky, so I'm just going to take my lace and begin to lay it down. And I thought I wanted to take down the baby hairs, but I'm not gonna do that yet. So I'm just gonna lay this down, and I'm just gonna go in with the normal scarf to help lay the lace. And I'm just gonna keep this on for a few minutes, and I'll come back when it's time to cut the lace and all that good stuff. So see y'all in a second. All right, y'all, so my scarf has been on for a good like 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it and cut the lace. I guess I'm just gonna do it with the braids still on there. So I'm just gonna cut really close to it, I guess. So I'm gonna take my razor and just so now really all we have to do is lay the edges. The edges are all taken down. I'm just gonna take a comb and like comb through them a little bit. Ow, okay. And I don't really like long edges. I know some people do because they like to, you know. But I'm just going to take them and cut them a little bit. And I don't know exactly how I want them to lay. So I'm just gonna take my mousse, put it all over. I'm just gonna take my little edge brush and like begin to mold them however, because I don't really know how I want them. Alright, I think I kind of got the edges how I want them. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of Got To Be on the hairline again. And I'm just gonna take some powder, like right on the hairline. And this is the final look, y'all. This is really easy because like with the regular wig, you got a hot comb and make it flat and do this, that, and the third. But this is braids, so literally all you have to do is apply it and do your little edges, and that's it. So this is the final look. This is what it looks like, and you can literally style them however, do whatever. Again, I feel like I could have made my braids flatter under this just to make it a smoother, cleaner install, but it looks good nonetheless. I really like the concept of it. You know, you can have braids without having to sit through the process. Buy you a little wig, pop it on. You don't gotta take them down, none of that. And put it on and off when you want to. So yeah, I like it. And it reaches like the top of my butt. That's how long the braids are. But yeah, y'all, this was me installing this braid wig from Hair and Tingz in Dallas. Definitely go check them out. I'll put their Instagram page, website, all of that in the bio so you guys can go look at them. They have so many styles. They have braids, straight backs, box braids, locks, I believe, like so much to choose from. So I think y'all should definitely go check them out. Let me know how you guys liked this. Definitely give this video a like, comment, subscribe, all of that. I want to thank Hair and Tingz Dallas for sending me this beautiful wig. And yeah, again, I hope y'all liked this, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.